The roller coaster project involves different parameters and situations that allow us to exemplify and explain different situations or concepts that are directly related with physics. For example, kinetic energy and Newton's first law, and which in this case we are going to see them represented in the movement of the object. In this project, we will work to make a scale simulation of a roller coaster, where we can apply these two concepts mentioned above. We can analyze them and make different calculus and calculations where you can reaffirm and see in a practical way their use.
Well, talking about the topics related with the roller coaster, it's the energy, that it's everywhere and comes in many forms, with the two most common forms known as potential energy and the kinetic one. The potential energy is a form of energy that has the potential to do work but is not actively doing work or applying any force to any other object. And the kinetic energy is created when potential energy is released, supered into motion by gravity or elastic forces, and among others. Other topic related with the roller coaster is the laws that determine the movement, and specific to Newton's law. The first one, that is the law of inertia, and the second one, that is the fundamental law of dynamics.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Angel, and I shall be explaining the design of our experiment for team number 9. To first begin with, what is a roller coaster? Well, it is an amusement park attraction that consists of a light railroad track with many tight turns and step slopes, on which people ride in small, fast, open cars. These curves or turns shall be horizontal or vertical depending on the roller coaster, right? So, on our case, for experiment, we did it easier with a marble and with a pipe system. In this slide, we can see our original design for the experiment. We wanted to put the marble here and then we were supposed to let it fall and gain some speed, and then in this circle, this was supposed to be a horizontal turn, but it was really trouble for us. So instead, we came with this new design. As you can see here, the marble is going to gain a lot of more speed, and the circle or the turn now it's going to be vertical because it is easier for us to prove the potential and kinetic energy in our experiment, which is what we're looking for, to prove that kinetic and both potential energy exists. Thank you. That will be it for my part.
Hello, I'm Dana, and I'll explain the materials and procedure needed for this roller coaster. First, we need a 2-meter long insulation tube, masking tape, plastic cups, a marble, a knife, and any kind of furniture that can be used as a support for the system.
For the procedure of construction, we need to cut the tube in half lengthwise, tape one end to the furniture, make the loop, and you can use tape if necessary, and then try it.
In this track, we wanted to know how the relationship between kinetic energy and Newton's first law works by means of the force that acts on the marble. This represents the kinetic movement and how it will continue because of Newton's first law on its way, thanks to the inertia that it generated.